Okay, 5B is a little bit different from A because last time we found a missing side. This time they want you to find a missing angle. Now we're still going to set it up by using the trig definitions, so you want to make sure you know those SOHCAHTOA definitions, have those on your note card. Now we want to pick a trig function that relates the two numbers that are provided here, so that way we can find theta. Now if theta is indicated here, that means the adjacent is 60, hypotenuse is 75. So the trig function that relates an adjacent side and a hypotenuse would be cosine. So I'm going to set it up. Now we don't have an angle this time, so we have to just do cosine theta is going to equal adjacent 60 over the hypotenuse. So adjacent over hypotenuse 60 over 75. Now in order to find this, what we're going to do is we're going to first turn this into decimal, put that into our calculator, and that actually comes out evenly as just 0.8. In order to find theta, we're going to have to take the inverse cosine of both sides. So let me go ahead and show that, what it is you're actually doing. You're going to do inverse cosine of this side, and you're going to do inverse cosine of 0.8. We're going to do an inverse cosine because that will cancel that out and just give you theta left over, which means your theta is the inverse cosine of 0.8. And if you put that into your calculator, we get theta, if we round it to two places, will be 36.87 degrees. But it does say round to nearest degree, which means that would round to 37 degrees, and that would be what you would put. So again, two different types of ways it'll ask that problem. Either it'll ask you to find a missing side, or it'll ask you to find a missing angle. Whenever you want to find a missing angle, you always have to do inverse cosine, because inverse cosine will give you a degree measurement.